Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. Mr. Wael, teacher of chemistry at STEM Alex School, with you. We will continue our speech about galvanic cell. We discussed in the previous sessions the definition of a galvanic cell and the example for it. Now, we will continue the cell EMF. The redox reaction occurring in galvanic cell are spontaneous. It means that, as we said previous, it's take happen without help any other substance. Why do electrons flow spontaneously from one electrode to the other? Electrons flow spontaneously because there is a difference in potential energy between the anode and the cathode. Now, in this picture, to illustrate the difference between anode and cathode. Anode is higher potential energy and the cathode is lower potential energy. And we note that the difference in electrical potential between the anode and the cathode is called the cell potential or the cell voltage, means in aqueous, in brackets, E cell, measured in volts. Standard cell potential E0 cell. What's it mean? It means that the cell potential measured under standard conditions, like temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, the molarity is 1 molar, concentrations of reactants and products in solution, or 1 atmosphere pressure for gases. Now we will discuss galvanic cell in E0 cell depends on the half cell of half reactions present. Standard potential have been assigned to each individual half cell. By convention, the standard reduction potential, which we symbol as E0 for each half cell is used and tabled or tabulated as we illustrate in the second or the next slides. Now, standard reduction potential, we can discuss it as or explain it as potential of reduction half reaction under standard conditions, measured relative to the reduction of H plus to H2 under standard conditions. As we see this equation, 2 of protons, aqueous in concentration of 1 molar, plus 2 electron erase or produce H2 gas in 1 atmosphere. E0 red, as we said, equal 0 volt. This is example for our laws. As E0 red becomes increasingly positive, the driving force for reduction increase. Reduction becomes more spontaneously. Reduction occurs at cathode. As we saw that fluorine, when it gain two electron turn into fluorine ion as an anion. We see that emerged or the volt is positive 2.87 volt. Ag aqueous, when it gain one electron, it will be Ag in solid state. Also, it's positive 0.80 volt. Which reaction is more spontaneous as written? Which reaction will tend to occur at the cathode of the two reactions were combined in galvanic cell? Try to think in this question. Thank you.